All right, friends, let's go ahead and go over our coordinate plane. Remember, we only work with the first quadrant in 5th grade. And so remember, we have our x-axis that goes horizontally and our y-axis that goes up and down. We can remember this, how our y is vertical, and that's our vertical axis as well. When I'm naming points, I go x and then I go y. Remember, we talked about how if Miss Moon was climbing a mountain, Miss Moon has to go to the mountain before she can climb up it. So if I was to go ahead and look at this point, let's try to name this pink point right here. So where is this pink point located? What is its x coordinate? Well, I see it's on right here, the 10 of the x. So this is at 10, and then where is it at the y? It's at 10 as well. So that point is 10, 10. If I was to look at this gray coordinate right here, this x is at 3, and the y is at 4. So I go over 3. Oops, it's kind of hard. I go over 3 and up 4. That's at 3, 4. All right, now if I want to go ahead and plot these points instead, I'm looking at this blue point right here. It's at 6, 6. So I'm going to go over 6. I'm going to go over 6. And then I'm going to go up 6. So that blue point would be, I did the wrong color, excuse me. Let's see, there we go. That blue point would be at 6 of my x, 6 at my y. There it goes. It's very important that we remember this x, y. That's the most common mistake that we see, that you accidentally do y, x. All right, looking at this green point right here is at 0, 10. Okay, so if it's at 0 for my x, that means I'm not going to go over any. Then I'm just going to go up 10. So there's where that green point would be. Moving on to that purple. It's at 2, 5. So again, I'm going to go over 2. Then you go up 5. There we go. I'm at 2, 5, as we can see right there. I'm at 2, 5. And then lastly, we have that orange point at 10, 4. So I'm going to go over 10, up 4 to plot it right there. So again, friends, remember that x, y, and that x is your horizontal and y is your vertical. Once you have paused, rewound, however you need to make sure that you have appropriate understanding of this, go ahead and move on to our practice.